Hello everyone, you are watching Hacker Associate broadcast. This is the day one. We are going to discuss about offensive cloud penetration testing day one agenda. So today I'm going to discuss about what we are going to cover under day number one and what you will get a benefit when you register for the live training. So let's start it. So this is the day number one of our offensive cloud pen testing training. Today we are diving into some exciting and critical topic to kickstart your journey into cloud security. So let me give you a quick overview of what we are going to cover. So here, if you are new to the offensive cloud pen testing, you can simply go to the website hackerassociate.com, go to the course area and then select like cloud security. And here you will get all the module, I have written. Like we will learn about how to pen test Azure, Active Directory, Azure AD, on-prem attack, hybrid model, multi-cloud pen testing and many more. Now let's discuss about day-wise agenda. That is exactly the motive for this particular video. So I'm simply going to the LinkedIn, just log into the LinkedIn. If you are not, registered with us, please register with us and then get a free updates. Now next section, what you need to do is you can simply go to that account here. And here, you will be getting a completely free content, free videos and lot of other thing. You will get it under this account and directly download all these session cards what we are going to cover in our live training. So here if you go to the document area, just click on the document and here is a document. You can simply click on this document and then click here accessibility mode and you can see it is downloaded properly and now it opened properly, so you can see the thing in a proper manner. This is the offensive cloud pen testing day number one agenda which we completed. And so first we are going to focus on phishing and multi-factor authentication bypass. So we will understand about how we can run campaign, how to bypass MFA, because if you go to the cloud everywhere, there is a MFA authenticator application, many, you need to look for the codes when you sign in and many other things, right? So we'll be understanding here how we can bypass this MFA and how to run phishing campaign and tons of things we are going to cover under this particular phase. So phishing involves tricking user into providing credentials, often mitigated by multi-factor authentication. It is crucial to understand such technique to bolster cloud security defenses and preventing unauthorized access through deceptive means. So we will be learning about prevention as well as bypassing method. In the second section of the day number one, we are going to focus on Azure AD initial access. In this section, we will be learning all the technique how to get into the Azure area as a black box perspective. So you don't have any information from just the name. Like example, let's say if I know the company name like Amazon, from that name, like how to embed all the information as a black hat perspective and how to get into the Azure AD. And we will be looking at subdomain enumeration and many other thing, tons of things we are going to look into this in an automated way. Third, we are going to focus on Azure Kill Chain. We will be understand about what is Azure Kill Chain and the outlines, the sequence of action an adversary might use in an Azure environment. Familiarity with this step help create robust defenses strategies by predicting and potential threat at each stage. That we are going to focus on. Fourth, we are going to focus on penetration testing and authorization. In this section, we are going to learn about IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, and we will be learning like what is authentication, what is authorization, and how we can perform attack on these particular services. So conducting pen test in cloud services like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, and testing help identify vulnerability in these services and ensuring authorization practices prevent unauthorized access effectively. The fourth section we are going to cover, that is authorization in cloud services. That is exactly we will be learning about role-based access control, attribute-based access control, and tons of thing other. So this is very, very important, like how to exploit JWT, how to exploit OAuth and other area we will be going to explore here. I have another 5 hours of video recording specifically for those areas. And the last, we will be learning about Azure penetration testing overviews, like what are the documentations are available by Microsoft and how to perform fuzzing, what are the legality, what are the illegality, everything we are going to learn under these areas. So an overview of Azure pen testing provides insight into identifying and mitigating vulnerability. This involves understanding Azure specific offense strategies to comprehensively assess the security posture of Azure hosted resources, enhancing defense mechanism. These are all we are going to learn for our day one things. Okay, so on the day number one we will be covering all this topic. So I hope you like this particular session card. You can download freely, and if you have any question you can directly ask me on LinkedIn. And don't forget to watch my free video regarding OCPT training videos. It is already available under my YouTube channel as a free playlist. You can simply go and stream the video right now. Thank you for watching the video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe it, and we will see you okay in our live session. Thank you.